In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of chess.com on all devices at once. If you've ever signed in on a shared computer, a work laptop, or multiple browsers, logging out everywhere is a smart move to protect your account. The good news is that chess.com makes this quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through exactly what to do and what to expect along the way. Start by opening chess.com and heading to your settings. You can get there from your profile menu, where the settings option is easy to find. Once you're in settings, look for the account section. This is where chess.com groups tools that relate to your login, your email preferences, and your security controls. Inside the account section, scroll until you see a heading labeled Extra Security. This is the area designed to help you keep your account safe, especially when you've used multiple devices or browsers. Here you'll see a button labeled Log Out on All Devices. That's the feature we want. Click the Log Out on All Devices button. In most cases, this takes effect immediately and signs you out of all active browser sessions. You might see a brief confirmation message, and in some cases, you may also be signed out on the device you're currently using. Don't worry, that's expected behavior when you're clearing every active session at once. After you click the button, be ready to sign back in when you return to chess.com. Make sure you know your current password before you start, especially if you plan to continue using the site right away. If you initiated this from a browser where you're also logged in, refresh the page or try navigating to another area of the site to confirm that you've been signed out. A few quick tips to keep your account secure going forward. Use this logout everywhere option anytime you've signed in on a public or borrowed device, or if something seems off, like unexpected activity or a login from a location you don't recognize. If you're taking this step because of a security concern, consider changing your password immediately after and reviewing any additional security tools available in your account settings. That's all it takes. Go to Settings, Open Account, find Extra Security, and click Log Out on all devices. It's a simple step that gives you peace of mind by ending all active browser sessions at once. If this was helpful, take a moment to secure your account now and then jump back into your games with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.